Ladies, when you think about how we function in today's world, you realize just how much relies on battery life. Whether it's your smartphone or your tablet, we can't function without them. The same goes for ourselves. We lose sleep, we overexert ourselves, and we constantly stress out. I am happy to introduce you to iRejoy. iRejoy, the world's first power bank massager. A power bank can charge devices such as your iPhone, tablet, or iPod without needing to be plugged into a wall.
There's a lot of jumping from class to class, and sometimes I forget to charge my cell phone. And the iRejoy is nice and compact, so I can keep it in my bag. And now I don't have to worry about being stranded.
As if that weren't exciting enough, we've added a 10-speed personal massage feature with a quiet ultrasonic motor, all in a small portable tube. And it's small enough to fit into your purse, bedside table, or travel pack, ensuring you will always be fully charged.
My job has me traveling all the time, so it's really convenient to have iRejoy with me because my phone always dies. It has 10 different massage speeds that feel pretty divine. I'm able to plug on the go while I'm at the airport, in my car.
Relax your tired muscles, release healing endorphins, and tap into your body's natural ability to heal itself. The benefits are endless, and anyone can benefit. Some of the main features are the beautiful ergonomic floral design, crafted with soft touch silicone. Special pouch for storage or to discreetly charge your devices with included retractable cable. It comes in 4 colors, luscious red, bliss pink, happy blue, and mystic purple.
Personal massagers and power banks can both be expensive, but with iRejoy you get both features for half the price. Why not have a device that can double task?
The iRejoy is simple to operate. The massage feature can be activated by simply pressing the power button twice. The power button switches between the 10 different massage modes whenever it is pressed. To turn off the device, press and hold power for 3 seconds. Life is better when everything is charged, and there's only one product that does this. Recharge, enjoy, iRejoy.
The Kinsa Smart Ear Thermometer makes those sick kid moments easier by getting your child's temperature right away in just 1 second. Kinsa even provides expert medical advice when you need it most. Questions like, how high did the fever get? Or when can I give the next dose? Are stored for reference later. If anything, Kinsa makes those all too common parenting challenges less stressful, reassuring you that you're doing the right thing.
Introducing Vobot, the world's first smart clock with Amazon Alexa, which you can set alarms, timers, check the weather, read news, listen to music, and more. Vobot is a revolutionary AI-enhanced voice interactive smart clock that helps you make the most of the day. It is very easy to set alarms with the Vobot. Just tap and say, set an alarm for 7 a.m. every day. To start the alarm, you could hold the screen for 3 seconds or shake to dismiss the alarm. If you don't want to get up immediately, just flip Vobot over and it will wake you up in 9 minutes. When you get up, you can check weather directly from Voboat. How is the weather today?
Currently, in Los Angeles, California, it's 68 degrees.
When you're cooking, Voboat is also very helpful. Set a timer for 3 minutes. Easy, quick, friendly, never miss the right time. Voboat can be a music player at your party. You can access to any playlist from iHeartRadio, TuneIn, and Amazon Music. Except that, World Clock. Sleep sound. Customize alarm music. Shopping. Taxi. Smart home. More and more features have been added to Voboat. All we want is to make your life more simple.